Welcome back to my channel IMO Algebra Solution. We have to see this algebraic problem 9 by 4 raised to the power 9 by 4. So we have to find the value of this one. So let's start. Here 9 is a square of 3. 4 is a square of 2. So 9 by 4 raised to the power 9 by 4 equal to 3 square by 2 square raised to the power 9 by 4. Now here a raised to the power n divided by b raised to the power n equal to a divided by b whole raised to the power n. This identity we have to apply here. Now 3 divided by 2 whole square raised to the power 9 by 4 raised to the power 9 by 4. Now here a raised to the power m raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m into n. This will apply here. So we can write here 3 divided by 2 whole square into 9 by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now here we can write 3 by 2 raised to the power 9 by 2. Now how we can write this 9 by 2? 4 plus 5 divided by 2. In this way we can write this 9 by 2. Now 3 by 2 raised to the power 4 plus 5 by 2. Then we can write here a plus b divided by c equal to 8 by c, divided by c plus b divided by c. Now we can write here 3 by 2 raised to the power 4 by 2 plus 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now 3 by 2, here 2 plus 5 by 2. Now here we can apply a raised to power m plus n equal to a raised to power m into a raised to power n. Now 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2 raised to the power 5 by 2. Now here we can apply a raised to the a by b raised to the power n is equal to a raised to power n divided by b raised to power n. Okay. Now square of 3 divided by square of 2 into 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 5 by 2. Now we can write here 3 square is 9 divided by 2 square is 4 into 3 by 2 whole raised to the power 5 by 2. Now here a raised to now see here a raised to the power n by m is equal to mth root of a raised to power n. This is the formula we have to apply here. Now equal to 9 by 4 into square root of 3 by 2 whole raised to the power 5 equal to, here we will apply a by b equal to under root a divided by under root b. This we will apply here. Now 9 by 4 into root 3 by root 2 whole raised to the power of 5. Now 9 by 4 into root 3 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 divided by root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Now 9 by 4 into root 3 whole square, these two, then these two, into root 3 whole square into root 3 divided by these two, then these two, root 2 whole square into root 2 whole square into root 2. Now 9 by 4 into this root square root will remove, square root will remove, square root will remove, 3 into root 3, here 2 into root 2 is equal to 9 by 4 into 9 by 4 into root 3 by root 2. Now here 81 by 16 into root 3 by root 2. Now we have to solve this by conjugate method. We have to multiply and divide this under root 2. So 81 divided by 16 root 3 root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. Now here 81, not 18, 81, here 81 root 3 into root 3, with this root to come in this root sign, then we can write here 16 into root 2 into root 2. So here we can write root a into root b equal to root a into b, root a into b. Now again we can write here root a into root a equal to root a square, square root remove, so here we get only a, so we can write here 81 root 6 divided by 16 into 2. Now 81 root 6 divided by 32. This is the answer. Now we will recall this. Thank you for watching the whole video. Answer is 81 under root 6 divided by 32. This is the answer. Thank you.